We open a new part, select our front plane, normal to, then go to sketch, and using the center line, we draw a line through the origin. Then select the line tool. Make sure that our cursor is horizontally aligned with the origin. Then we draw this shape. We select Smart Dimension, and then we dimension from the origin to this point. We give it a dimension of 0.3. Next, we dimension from this point to this point. Then we give it a dimension of 0.2. Next, we dimension this line to 0.375. Then select Sketch Fillet, and for the radius we type 0.075. Under Entities to Fillet, zoom in, we click on this corner, this point, then we click the tick. Next, we go to Features, Revolved Boss and Base. When this dialog pops up, click on Yes. We go to Thin Feature, and then we click the drop down, the arrow beside it, so that it appears. Our axis of revolution should be automatically selected for us, the center line we drew. Make sure the direction is set to blind and the angle is 360 degrees. We click on the checkbox beside Thin Feature. We change the condition to mid-plane, and we set the thickness to 0.02. Now we have our completed shape. Receive our part as cap. We open our part. Select the front plane, normal to. Using the line tool, draw a vertical line from the origin upwards. Still using the line tool, then draw the shape. Then use the tangent arc under Sketch. Place our cursor here and draw an arc from this point to this point. Then we draw an arc from this point to this point. Using Smart Dimension, dimension from this point to this line. Then we type 0.32. Then dimension from this line to this line. Then we type 0.085. Then dimension this line to 0.05. Dimension from this line to this line. Then we type 0.125. Next, we click on this line, holding Control, and this line. Then we click on the collinear sketch relation. Back to Smart Dimension, we dimension this line. Dimension this line to 0.016. We then dimension from this point to this point. We type 0.136. Dimension this line 0.082. Then dimension our top arc to a radius of 0.15. Then we dimension our bottom arc to a radius of 0.14. Now our sketch should be fully defined. Using the center line, we draw a center line through the origin. Now we go to features, revolve boss or base. Our axis of revolution should be automatically selected for us. The condition, our revolve type should be on blind, and our angle should be 360 degrees. Then we click the tick. We rotate our part. Then under features, we click on fillet. Under fillet parameters, we type 0.02. Under items to fillet, we click on this edge. And now we have our completed part. Then save our part as Rivet. We are done. We open a new part. Next, select the front plane, the normal tool. Using the circle tool and the sketch, we draw two circles. We use smart dimension to dimension the first circle to 3.5. Then we dimension the second circle to a diameter of 0.17. Next, we go to features, extruded boss or base. Make sure our condition type is on blind to a depth of 0.04. Next, still under features, we select chamfer. We change our chamfer type to distance. And we make sure that our chamfer parameters is set on asymmetry. For the first distance, we type 0.02. And for the second distance, we type 0.12. Click on items to chamfer. Then we zoom in. Click on this edge. Rotate the shape. Then we click on this edge. Then we click the tick. Then save our part as blade.